40वां डॉक्टर पी रंगारेड्डी का सालाना प्रोग्राम मुसलसिल एक हफ्ते के बाद इख्तिताम पजीर हुआ। शहर हैदराबाद में वाक़ सरोजनी देवी आई हॉस्पिटल में मुनक्किद हुआ और ये प्रोग्राम 27 अक्टूबर से 2 नवंबर तक जारी रहा। CME यानी ये प्रोग्राम में PG के तुलबा व तालिबात ने शिरकत किए और मुख्तलिफ उन्वानात के तहत प्रोफेसर्स ने लेक्चर्स दिए। इस मौके पर सरोजनी देवी आई हॉस्पिटल के सुपरिटेंडेंट डॉक्टर V राजालिंगम, डॉक्टर P मोदिनी हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट, डॉक्टर नजफी बेगम CS RMO, डॉक्टर वमीला देवी RMO, डॉक्टर सुपर्णा के अलावा दीगर भी मौजूद थे।
I am Dr. Rajalingam, Superintendent of Sarojini Devi Hospital. The 40th Dr.P.Ranga Reddy CME program went very well for the last 1 week. Majority of the audience are postgraduates from the various medical colleges from Telangana as well as neighboring states, and there are 20 practitioners also participated in the CME program. It is a grand success, and we have taken the feedback from the all postgraduates and practitioners. They expressed their happiness by participating in the CME program, and as well as they told us they acquired latest knowledge in the management of the patient, in the diagnostics of the ophthalmology. And we also, as the administrator, we are very happy because there is a very good response from the postgraduates as well as the practitioners, and I wish all this success for all the participants, and I hope we will improve further in the next conference. Thank you.